Okay, so the first step to work on in this process would be to input the basic information about the event into the event page or tab of the worksheet. And that is basically a unique identifier for the event, the title, a brief description, start date, including the time, end date, including the time, and the location. And all this information will get pushed out to the calendar. Then you go up and click on Process Events, and it'll take about 35-40 seconds to run this, and then it will create a separate tab for each event and push all this information into the Google Calendar. So the first part of this process involves inputting basic event information. So you would put in a unique ID, the event title, a description, the start date and start time, location, and number of participants. And all of this information will get pushed out to the Google Calendar. And then you just go up and click on Process Events. And this will take about 35-40 seconds. It will create a separate tab down here on the bottom for each event, and then also push out the event along with the registration form to the Google Calendar. So now you can see all of the tabs have been created down here at the bottom, and if I go to my Google Calendar, this is embedded into the Haiku website. You can see that all of these test links are posted on the calendar, and if someone wanted to register, they just click on the link. Has that basic information in here. Obviously the description could be a lot longer, and then you would click right here, fill out your info, and then hit submit. I'm going to go ahead and do another one just to test it. And then I go back into the Event Manager tab, and now this is on the bookings. So once people sign up and input their information, it puts it onto the Booking tab. This tab has all the information on it. Obviously, I put in a separate count formula, so it will count the number of people that have signed up. When it hits the limit, this would trigger, and then whoever's managing it would go in and approve the trainings. So once they go through and they approve it, you just type in the letter Y, then go up and do process bookings. The script will run and it automatically emails the participant confirmation code, and it puts it on their Google Calendar. So you can see here is an example of the confirmation email that I got, and then it also automatically puts it on my Google Calendar.